Hey guys, Jeff Sprague here, Lake Fork Pro. We're at iCast doing videos for WeCast 2025, guys. I want to show you the brand new Lake Fork Pro Hog from Lake Fork Lure Co. The Pro Hog's a really cool, unique bait. Like a lot of people have put out hog style baits, which we have now. This bait has been designed by myself. It's got a really slim body. It's really thin, so whenever you set the hook, you get a really good hook penetration. It doesn't roll, it doesn't bend, it doesn't bunch up down there in the shank of your hook where you miss that bite. The second thing that was really cool when I designed this bait is when it hits the water and hits the bottom, these two fins fold out like a crawfish in a defensive posture, right? So when a crawfish is about to be eaten by a bass, a lot of times they'll throw those claws back in a defensive posture. It's exactly what this looks like when it hits the bottom, and a fish is automatically going to pounce on that. I've had a lot of success with this, flipping it, Carolina rigging it, so many different ways to fish this on a big shaky head, types of deals. When they're on that crawfish bite, when you're flipping, this is the deal for me here at Lake Fork Lure Co. Check them out, Lake Fork Lure Co., Tackle Warehouse, and all your available retailers.